So there's a new Tesla video just dropped on their channel.
3 minutes
Someone in
ago.
the chat said Tesla privacy. Let's go check it out.
Okay. 3-minute-old Tesla video.
Vehicles are designed to keep you and your data safe. Our privacy protections go beyond the standard. So when you get behind the wheel, you're in control of the information you share. By default, the data generated by your driving is not linked to you, unless a safety event is detected. Even though you can monitor your vehicle's location in the Tesla app, Tesla cannot. Sometimes, Tesla will review anonymous data from the fleet to continuously improve safety and performance. While your vehicle may be one of those data points, Tesla cannot tell which vehicle data is yours. We designed Sentry Mode and Dashcam for you and only you. The cameras will only record if you opt in, and the recordings are saved in your vehicle, not on Tesla's servers. You get to decide what data you share and when. If you decide to share, you can do so knowing that your data is not linked to you or your vehicle, and that Tesla will not sell your data to anyone for any reason. You can update your preferences, request a copy of your data, or review Tesla's privacy notice anytime on your vehicle's touchscreen or in your Tesla account. Because your data belongs to you.
Thank you, Tesla. Made me feel so warm and cozy with your lo-fi. The first part where they're like, well, we don't share anything unless we detect an event. And it's like, well, okay, I see that there's a log in the road, but my car sometimes is modifying its behavior if I'm getting too close to the lane. You know, and so it's like, do those count? Like, what constitutes an event? That's immediately what I was thinking. But it is interesting, you know, you got these companies now, it's become an actual marketing thing. The privacy aspect is a marketing thing. I think you can thank Apple to a certain extent for that. And people want to know. They want to know. What do you know about me? What do you share about me? What about all these cameras that are watching? I get people ask me these questions. It happens. People come up to me and they say, oh, you're driving that Tesla. How do they know when it's autonomous driving? How do they know if you're paying attention? I'm like, well, your hand is on the thing, and you opt into essentially being tracked. You opt in for FSD beta. You opted in. You said, yeah, you get everything. You can have. So it's different, and I presume depending on what features you're agreeing to. When you're clicking yes, 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 next, 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 if you're reading all this documentation, in some cases, in some circumstances, then all of a sudden that data is being shared. Like when the guy drove off the cliff, they're like, unlock maximum data. We want to know everything that led up to it. But I guess in most cases like this, it's not, the data is not extremely personalized. So, okay, cool. We learn.
Privacy.
Okay, we learn.
Yeah.